So we are determining the critical points for the following function. So in order to determine those critical x values, what you'll need to do is set the derivative of the original function equal to 0. And our derivative, let's see, I'm going to rewrite 250 over x as 250 x to the negative 1. And so our derivative is 2x minus 250x to the negative 2 power. The trouble with this one will be setting that derivative equal to 0, because you're setting 2x minus 250x to the negative 2 equal to 0. I think I would write this as 250 over x squared equal to 0. And then you could say that 2x equals 250 over x squared. I can move the 250 over x squared to the other side, and I can cross multiply. I can say 1 times 250 is 250, and then I can say 2x times x squared is 2x cubed. And so here we're solving for x. I need to get x cubed by itself. You divide both sides by 2. You get x cubed equals 125. And so if x cubed equals 125, we need to take the cubed root of both sides, and we get that x equals 5.